This is group 5. My name is Hui,
My name is Kevin.
and this is our general demo. All right, Kevin, start.
Alright, so first you're going to sign up as a librarian. So we're going to input our SJSU email. Put a password, and then we'll also input our student ID. So we're going to get our validation email. So if you go to our email account, we're going to see a verification link. So now our account has now been verified. So now we're going to log in with our librarian email. So if we input the wrong password, we should get an alert saying invalid email or password. When we input our correct one, we're logged into librarian mode. We're able to search books, add books, and view all books. So right now there are no books in our library. Okay, so we're gonna add 3 books. So we fill in all the required fields. So the current status, we can pick between one of 2 options. We input the number of copies, and then we can input however many keywords we want. So we add the book, should be displayed on here as well. So here's our book details page. Okay, so after we added 3 sample books as well, we can go to the book details page. The librarian can view last updated by librarian email. They're able to view all the book attributes in the cover image. And from this page, they're also able to edit as well as delete the book from our database. So if you add the title and say this is Business Advice 2, we can also save it with the same button. So if we refresh it and go back, we should be able to see the new updated information. We are also able to delete from this page. So after we delete it, we should no longer see it on it. We are also able to do an exact search for the book. The exact search fields are title, author, publisher, and year of publication. So an example book is Abstract Art, artist John Doe, publisher Harper Collins, and a year of publication of 1999. So once they fill out the fields, they're able to search, and they're able to see all the necessary attributes at last updated by. They're also able to edit and delete from this field as well, just as if they were to come to this page from the library view. Alright, so from our librarian view, we're also able to log out, and then now we're going to sign up as a patron with a regular non-SJSU email. Our password. Okay, so that's our password validation in work. Okay. So signing up as a patron, we also get our email validation. So there's our email validation. So our email is now verified. And from our patron view, we're able to see the very same books that we added along with a few other example ones. Now we're going to perform exact search, which is the same as with librarian search. So title is Abstract Art, author is John Doe, publisher of Harper Collins, year of publication 1999. Able to search and we're able to see the same book attributes as well. Alright, so from our patron mode, we're able to do basic patron functions like checking out, renewing, and returning a book. So from our all books view, we can check out multiple books. So if we try to check out you try to check out more than 3 books, you're going to get an error saying you can only check out 3 books for that particular day. So from this view, we're able to go into our book details page. Because we haven't checked out the book, we have the option to check out the book. And it pops up an alert saying we checked out the email. And in our email, we're able to see a checkout confirmation with the relevant book details like checkout time as well as the due date. So if you look in our My Checked Out Books view, we're able to see that book displayed here. And if you go to the book details here, since we checked out the book, we already have renew and return options available to us. So if we renew the book, we're able to see that due date inside checkout list was modified. So we were able to renew up to 2 times. We're also able to return the book. Pops up an alert, and we should get an email with the relevant info. So we get a return confirmation email with the fine amount as well as the title.
For this part, we're going to show waiting lists for the application. So I'll log into another Patreon account. Okay, so Kevin previously checked out this book and it now has 1 copy, so I will try to check it out. It tells me that I should be added to the waiting list, so I say yes. And the DB changed and I'm added onto the waiting list. Okay, so I'm going to log into Kevin's email and I will look at his books. Currently, this is the only book he's checked out. It has 1 copy, so I will return it, and my other account should receive a notification that it's ready to be checked out. So I will click return, and it's successfully returned. And you can see in the waiting list, I'm gone from the waiting list, and I receive a notification. I receive a notification that it's ready to be checked out. Okay, so I will log back into my account. All books. Kevin previously returned this book, and I'm currently on the reservation list, so I'm the person who can only check this book out, so I will check it out. And there it is. This part, we also want to show that if a book is due within 5 days, daily alerts will be sent to the Patreon. And so for this part, we're able to mock it with a Firebase function. So to mock it, you can see that there are several users that are currently checked out for books. So I will mock it using this URL. So I click enter. It loops through all the database and sends a user notification. So you can see that I have my reminder from the URL. Hi, you have a book due at January 18th, 2018. The last part, we also want to show the testing assistant. So we'll log in as a librarian. And right here, you can see there's a testing assistant. So you click this, and you're onto the testing assistance. So to enable the testing mode, you just click this button. And then from here, you can change to any date you would like. And that's it.